What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see why my Instagram feed is not updating. So to solve this problem, let's head over to Instagram first. So once you're there, make sure you have logged into your desired account. So if your feed is not updating after refreshing it, then there might be some issues with it. So the first thing you can try is to clear your cache. So tap on Instagram and go to the info icon on the top right. And here go to storage and clear the cache. And go back and see if it is updating or not. And if it's not, then go to you might need to update your Instagram from Play Store. So make sure you update it from Play Store by searching it and search for Instagram. And if there is any update available, you will see it in the place of this open. So update it and it will install automatically on your Android, and then try to see if the problem is still there. And if the problem still persists, you can always try to uninstall and install your Instagram again. And the last but not the least fix you can do is try to check out your internet connection if it is stable or not. And if your Wi-Fi connection is not stable, then just change it to mobile data and try to see if the problem is still going on. So yeah, this is how you can just fix your Instagram feed not updating problem. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.